Hello, I'm Anvesha. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a review as well as comparison between two makeup pouches or two cosmetic pouches that are one is from Nykaa and another one is from Miniso. So today I'm going to review as well as I'm going to compare these two makeup pouches. These two are very much well known makeup pouches. So today let's see who wins and which one you should buy or which one is good or bad, the good size, bad size. I will tell you everything. So just carry on with me in this video and just watch this video out. So starting with the first bag, I have this one from Nykaa. This is in bronze color. The color, it was available in 4 shades. One is black, another one is golden, there was rose gold and this bronze one. I have bought this bronze one. This is a sparkling glittery pouch. As you can see, this looks very much trendy. This is rectangular in shape and a leathery thread sort of thing is over here for detailing near the chain, and the color of this chain is golden. The chain is in triangular shape. You can see, let me just open the chain. This is how it looks. The inside part is brown in color. The inside fabric is there is a lining inside this and it is brown in color. Here Nykaa is written. The chain is brown in color, and if you choose the black one, I think in the black one the chain was pink in color, this part, and this one was golden only. So this one was pink in color, and in other bags the color was changed. So this is a sparkly glittery sort of thing. This is not sequins. If you think this is sequins, then this is not sequins. These are glitters, bigger size of glitters, and let me show you the color of this bag. This is how it looks. So this is bronze with some black hints. Okay, the quality of this pouch is good, like you are getting sufficient space inside this, as well as the quality is good one. It is not that thin that it will, the thread works, like the stitches are good. So, and also the chain is really good. It is smooth. So overall it is a good one. Now coming to the main point about these glitters, whether it will fall, whether I am having fallouts of these glitters or not. Then let me tell you. See, you can see here one glitter, then on this bag even over here another glitter, here another glitter. So you can see there are many fallouts from this glittery sort of thing. See, it is not a good, like the pastings are not properly done. You will have fallouts from this. Like I have purchased this in one of my Nykaa haul. If you are one of my subscribers, then you know that I have bought this in one of my Nykaa haul, and if you haven't yet checked that video, then click on this link and check that video out in which I have bought this pouch. So till that day I am using this pouch, and like till now, from the first day, the fallouts haven't stopped. I was in some of the reviews in Nykaa's website, I saw that many were telling that they had fallouts but it stopped eventually, but in my case it is not happening. I don't know why, but I'm like, the glitters are falling out, the glue is not properly sticked. And if you think that this is a sequence bag, then this is not a sequence bag. This is a bag with glitters, big glittery particles which are stuck with glue. These are not stitched sequins or glitters. Okay, so these are stuck with. So I have told you the thing, and the price of this bag is rupees 300. However, I think I got this for rupees 250. So I have told you everything about this bag, and the price of this bag is rupees 300 on Nykaa, and as you know, I have bought this from Nykaa. Now coming to the next bag is this one from Miniso. So this is a simple looking bag. That bag was a glittery sort of thing, but this is not that sort of thing. I bought this for a dusky rose kind of color, and another color was available. I think that was sky color sort of thing, light blue. Then talking about this bag, here you're getting a Miniso tag in which the price is written rupees 150. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is made up of artificial leather, no sequins, nothing is there. Talking about the stitches are properly done. I don't think that the stitches will end up in tearing the bag or that sort of thing. The chain is silver in color. As you can see, the chain is silver in color, and here also the tongue of the chain is also silver in color, a shiny silver that was golden in color. And this one is also to some extent gives a triangular shape, and Miniso Life is written on the chain. So let me just open the chain. So this is even also smooth like the other one. So this is also smooth chain. Then opening it up, this is how the inside thing looks. Here you're getting a black nylon, which is a thick one. Then you're getting another tag in which Miniso is written inside it. Let me show you. Here you're getting Miniso written tag, and here you're getting the manufacturing address sort of thing. So that this part of this bag is a hard one with the pipe sort of thing, and the rest bag is soft one. Okay, and I have bought this from Flipkart. However, in this tag the price is written rupees 150, but I bought this from Flipkart and the price was stated there rupees 200. However, there was a discount sale going on, so I bought this for rupees 150. Now talking about both of this bag together, talking about the size of these bags, you can see by yourself. This is a bigger compared to this one, a bit bigger, but this is a thick one, a dense one. This is not a thick one, but the size is bigger in this case and small in this case. So let me just see what it can store inside it. So let me just open this one. So you can see the bag is empty. So let me just put. So first I am putting this contour palette, then a compact powder, then primer, then I am putting one foundation, then I am putting 3 lipsticks together, then I am putting eyebrow pencil as well as a deo, then I am putting this mascara. Then also you can see so much space is left, like so much space is left. Let me just, a lot of space is still left, like you can see a lot of space is still left. So let me just open this and let me just pour all these products in this pouch and let me just see what it can store. So the this one, the contour palette, then the compact powder with the deo, foundation, primer, lipstick. Let me put 3 lipstick, 1 eyebrow pencil, then 1 mascara. So this is the condition of this bag. I can keep all this in this bag, but comparing about the size of these 2 bags, this is small compared to this one. A lot of space was left in this bag. In this bag there is space left, but not as much as that bag. I can like chain it up, but space, talking about the space, less space is left over here and more space is left over here. So talking about the overall spacious thing, this is more spacious compared to this one. Now talking about the longevity of these 2 bags, both the bags are quite, I think these 2 bags are quite long lasting because the quality of these bags are very much good. I won't give anything lesser. Maybe I will give this one 9 and this one 8. 1 point I will deduct from this bag for the quality purpose. And talking about the travel friendliness of these 2 bags, this is, you can see, this is a total packed bag. This is quite travel friendly. Talking about this one is even travel friendly, but talking about the glitters part, if you are carrying this bag, you are like pouring it inside your luggage or inside your handbag, then it might destroy the glitters. In your handbags there are so many things, in your luggage there are so many things. It can get like, it can destroy the glitters, and in this case it can destroy the leather because it can, if you put any sharp things, then it can just tear it out. So both the bags, this is more travel friendly compared to these bags. However, you cannot bend it from this side. You can do like this, but like it is a hard thing, it do have a hard ring around it, so you cannot fold it or you cannot like just crumble it, but in this case you can just crumble it from any side you want, so this will take less space compared to this one. Now talking about the color variety, this do have 4 colors, this have 2 colors, so about the color variations, this wings. And then talking about the look wise, both are good. If you want a glittery sort of bag, then this one is good, and if you want a plain and simple bag, then this one is good. So I have told you everything about these 2 bags. I think now it is clear to you that which one you should buy and which one not. Both the bags are good in their own way. Now coming to the comparison of the price of these 2 products, this is for rupees 300 and this is for rupees, I think you will get this one for rupees 200. However, the price over here is written 150, I don't know, but online it was for rupees 200. So if you find a deal, if you find a sale, then you will get this for 150. So comparing the price point, this costs double of this. This bag will become dirty more often compared to this bag because of the color as well as the material. This won't get dirty. So yeah, that's all about these 2 bags. I have told you everything about these 2 bags, the detailed review as well as the comparison between these 2 bags. So I think now it is quite easy for you to buy a bag, a cosmetic pouch for you. You can buy any of them. Both are good in their own way, and I have already told you everything about these bags. Now you have to choose by yourself that which one you should buy and which one not. The final decision is yours. So I think now it's quite easy for you to select one perfect spacious cosmetic pouch to keep with you. And yeah, that's all about this video, and I end up here. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button gray and do hit that bell icon next to it. I will be very much happy if you do so. So that's all about this. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata till the next video.